So the silicone is now been drying for 12 hours plus. We're ready to attach the sink waste, the final part of the sink waste, with a little bit of silicone around there, and then we're going to put a bar over the top of there, screw into the sides, and we're ready then to start pouring the concrete. So centralise your waste. It's very important that you get it central. And then just get a little bit of hot glue on the inside. Give a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds to centralise that. Try not to get any hot glue on the insert itself like I've done. As it cools, you should just be able to pick it off. That's nice and central. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab my trusty silicone gun and just run a bead of silicone around there. Start it off. Just a thin bead so we can make it nice and neat. We're also going to run a thin bead around there as well. And then, as before, I'm going to neatly tool that off. So if you remember, we go one way, it's on the horizontal, and get off as much as possible. And then we'll go in the other direction as well. Now, if it's not neat enough, it's not perfect all the way around, then take your time to redo it, because once the concrete is poured and you've demolded it, you won't have a chance to redo it then. You can't really add the concrete without making it look really obvious. So horizontal done, do the vertical. A little bit more fiddly because the vertical isn't very high. But again, just take your time. And if you deff it up at this point, just redo it. Okay, that's the lower disc done. Now we're going to do the upper disc in exactly the same way. Horizontal turn, and go around and do the vertical as well. Okay, so that's done now, and we're ready to put the bar across the top. Okay, so put the bar across the top. Just a spot of glue there. And a spot of glue on the other side. Just hold that in place. So we've got that fixed. Again, I've managed to get a little bit of hot glue in the mould itself. I'll wait for that to cool off properly and then pick that off afterwards. But for now, we'll screw this bar into the top of the sink mould. Similar to before, going to drill a hole and then countersink. When you do this, what you don't want is for your sawdust to fall into the mould. So just drill on a low speed and make sure that you're brushing the sawdust away. On the other side. With our countersink bit, we're just going to make an indent into the melamine. And finally, put some screws in. Now that is fixed in place, which means that the waste underneath is fixed in place, and then finally the insert is pinned to the base of the outer mould. So we're now ready to start the casting.